I'm sure you've heard the news. Upgrading your GPU is the key to unlocking epic gaming performance. But wait, don't jump in just yet. First, check compatibility with your setup. Make sure your motherboard has the right PCIe slots, and that your case has enough space for that beastly new GPU. Second, beware of CPU bottlenecks. If your processor is outdated, even the best GPU won't shine. Third, driver updates are crucial. Keep your software up to date to avoid performance issues. Fourth, check your power supply. Your new GPU might need more wattage, so make sure your PSU can handle it. Lastly, think about future-proofing. Invest in a GPU that will keep you gaming smoothly for years to come. And there you have it. Follow these tips, and you'll be ready to game on. Like, share, and follow Tech Simplicity X for more simple tech tips.